Yaar, all my stocks are in red again.
The stock market is like a Bollywood movie. There is so much action, so much drama.
Right. What would you call bonds then?
Bonds? It's a 3 hour long boring documentary.
What did you say? Bonds is boring. You know, this boring documentary is the backbone of a country's entire financial system.
What? I don't buy it.
You don't? Bond markets have changed powerful governments and policies. Let me show you. You don't believe me? Let me tell you two real stories. It's 2022. UK Prime Minister Liz Truss had an ambitious economic plan and she announced massive tax cuts. The bond market doesn't like it. You know why? These tax cuts meant government would have to borrow more money to fund government plans, and that could result in higher inflation, higher borrowing cost, and instability in the markets. So what did investors do? They dumped UK's government bonds. Bond prices crashed, yields shot up. Government feared that their borrowing costs could suddenly explode. Within weeks, Truss had to fire her finance minister, scrap her plan, and she finally resigned. She didn't lose to the opposition or to the voters. She actually lost to the mighty bond market. Now, cut to the US. This year, President Trump announced his most aggressive tariff policy.
100% tariff.
Now it's 145%.
200% tariff. 200%, 300%, 400%.
Same result. Investors sold US government bonds, confidence dropped, markets tanked, and the bond market reacted so violently that Mr. Trump had to pause it immediately.
Bond market is very tricky, but if you look at it now, it's beautiful.
What? That happened because of the bond market.
Exactly. He later selectively targeted India and China, but that's a different story. The bond market is the ultimate credit rating system for a country. If it doesn't like your plan, you pay the price.
Imagine the power of bond market, and yet most people in India don't know it exists.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments, mutual funds are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.